In this video you will learn how to apply for Amazon jobs online in the UK. Visit the Amazon job website, go to the official Amazon Jobs UK website to access current job openings across different departments and locations. Search for available positions. Use the search bar to filter jobs by the title, location or department that matches your skills and interests. Select your job listing. Click on a job title you prefer to view its full description, requirements, working hours and pay details. Click apply now. Once you find a suitable role for you, click apply now to start your application process. Create or log into your Amazon account. You will need an Amazon job account. Either log into an existing one or create a new profile to continue. Complete and submit your application. Fill out the online application form with your personal information, CV and any additional documents, then submit it for review. Now you know how to apply for a job online for Amazon in the UK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.